Hi, I'm Fleur, the social media manager here at Switch Nutrition. Now, ever since I've started here at Switch, we've had a lot of inquiries into our inbox around 3 common areas that people are struggling with: weight loss, inflammation, which can present itself as in gut problems, skin issues, and also brain fog, just not starting your day the best as you can feel. Now, we understand that these conditions can take over your life, and left untreated, it can lead to more serious issues down the track. But it's never too late to stop, take account of where you are, and continue on your wellness journey with some few easy hacks. Now, don't let me scare you off, but adopting some keto principles into your everyday routine, whether that be a ketone supplement in between meals to help with cravings, or supporting you through intermittent fasting, we're going to be teaching you some really quick and easy hacks to enable you to get back to your full energy and lead a fuller life. I'm really excited to host this mini-series alongside Greg, who I'll be introducing to you. Greg is one of our co-founders here at Switch Nutrition, and he has over 20 years experience within the wellness industry. These hacks that we share are very simple, very effective, and doesn't matter where you are along your journey to wellness and health. If you're hungry for more, head over to our website, full of information, blogs, videos, keto recipes, and stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for joining me.